Hi, welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. Today's recipe is perfect for busy weekdays. It's our warm Asian salad. This recipe will likely become one of your go-tos after weight loss surgery, and that's a good key to success. Recipes you can repeat time and again that meet your nutritional goals. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.